And these are the 15-inch shades. So you get your 2 drums and your 4 rings. It does come with a set of instructions, but because I utilize these a lot, I do not need assistance with the instructions. We are going to put the lampshade together. You have your bottom ring and your top ring. You start with the top. Now, this is a personal preference for me. When I do my top, and you have the shade with the riser where it lifts up, I always make sure this is placed up as opposed to this way. So when you see these, this should bank up. You got your hooks here. So, as you do know, you have to put them on at the same time. So I got that hook in there. And I am just putting it on. I snap 2 in place. Then I snap the 2 in place for the bottom. When you get to the end of the shade, you do not want no extra port in any one between your snaps, because when you get to the end, the Velcro will not snap and fully close the shade. Once I hit the 3rd snap, I'm going to show you what I do. I began to push on the thing so I can tighten the loop. Then we're going to roll the last 2. And as you can see, rolling it, you should already see how my shade is going to connect. You see that? And if you got it tight, that runs perfect look. Voila. Once again, stay tuned. You're going to get to see these placed on TT's lamp. TT's is attempting the other one. This is what it looks like, and you see that. Yeah, I will put these for $27.99 for just for the set. I'm going to link that link and put the price on the screen if that price isn't correct. If you need you some shades and you don't run and get you some, I don't know what to say about you. As you see here, a 7-year-old can assemble these lampshades. That's how easy they are to assemble. And I'm telling you, you can change your lampshades and get the desired look you have, and it's super easy. There's TT shade. Once again, make sure you stay tuned to the end. The lampshades, I did take the round lampshades off of this lamp and put them in TT space. I forgot we had done that. I know I told you, but we're going to change these shades off. You know, I go through phases. I like what I like, and right now at this phase, over this. I don't like it at all. So we are just going to be changing them out. Shade off and shades on. I always put my line at the back when I'm cleaning and decorating. Now, tell me what you think. That's what I'm talking about. Love it, love it, love it, love it. Love, 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 love that right there. Now, look 1, look 2. Look 1, look 2. Tell me which one you think. And I am just going to, I'm going to trash them. Then, if my style ever changes, if I ever go back to this shape, I'll just buy more. Because I'm at the phase, I don't want all of the extra stuff in my space. But that, I love. that elevated the look of the space to me. So doesn't that look gorgeous? Doesn't that look gorgeous? That's it, you guys. Still, don't forget, make sure you come back, like, comment, share, and subscribe. Check out our other channels. That's Glam Queen DIY and Sora Sky Home, Decor Styles, and the Her Tablescape channel. Just key in Her Tablescapes. I can't remember the name of it offhand. Key in Her Tablescapes. It will pull up the channel. Make sure you are subscribed to all of the channels, and we will be bringing you regular content on all of the channels. Thank you guys so much for supporting what I love to do. Also, remember, like, comment, share, and subscribe. Try to watch the video always to the end. Now, when you comment and share the videos, it do help the algorithm say, hey, you love the content. Let's let somebody else watch it as well. So with that in mind, thank you guys so much.